Hi, I'm Grace. 5 minutes, one chair, and we're done. No floor, no jumping, no equipment, just somewhere sturdy to sit. If you can sit down and stand up on your own, you can do this whole thing with me. 4 exercises sitting, 1 standing, and that last one is optional. Stop anything that hurts. The burn of effort is fine, sharp pain is not. Grab your chair and let's go. We warm up first. Sit tall at the front of the chair, both feet flat on the floor. Lift one knee, then the other, like you're walking sitting down. Let the arms swing with it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Shoulders soft, chin level. Keep breathing. You're just waking everything up. 10 more. 10, mate. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And relax. Feel that? That's your heart already helping you. First one. Straighten one knee until the leg is level with the floor. Hold it for 2. And lower it slowly. Slowly is where the strength is. Up, hold, down. That's 1. And 2. 3. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath. 4. And 5. Good. Now the other side. Up, hold, down. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5. This is the muscle that gets you up the stairs every single day. Rest your feet. Second one, lift one knee up, press both palms down on the thigh and push the knee up against your hands. Push. 3, 2, 1 and release. Again, push. 3, 2, 1, release. One more on this side and let go. Now switch. Lift the other knee, palms down and push. 3, 2, 1, release. Again, hold it and release. Last one and rest. That was your core working. No crunches, no floor, nothing pulling on your neck. Third one, and this one's for your shoulders. Arms out to the side at shoulder height, palms facing up. Raise them a little higher. And lower with control. 1 and 2. Keep the shoulders down, away from your ears. 3, 4. Long neck, tall chest. 5, 6. You're halfway. 7, 8. 2 more, make them the best ones. 9 and 10. And rest your arms down. This is the one that keeps the top shelf reachable 10 years from now. Last one sitting. Reach one hand down toward the floor along the chair leg and come back up tall. Now the other side. Reach and tall. That's 1 each way. 2. Feel the long stretch down your side. And 3. Keep the shoulders square. Don't lean forward. 4. And back up tall. 1 more each way. Reach and up. And the other. And up. Beautiful. This is the movement your spine misses most when we sit all day. Now, only if you'd like, we stand. And if today is not that day, stay seated and just lean forward and back with me. No pressure at all, it still counts. Come to the front of the chair, nose over toes. Push through your heels and stand all the way up. Now sit back down slowly, don't drop. That's 1. And up and down. 2. Hands on your thighs if you want the help, that's not cheating. Up and down. 3 and 4, halfway. 5, 6, 2 left, 7 and 8. Sit. That right there is the single most important exercise in this whole video. It's the one that decides whether you get out of a chair by yourself at 80. Let's finish. Reach both arms up overhead and take a big breath in and let it out. 1 more all the way up and release. Roll the shoulders back a few times. Slow. That's it. You just did 5 minutes. Not the perfect version of it, the done version, which is the only version that's ever counted. Same time next week. Take care of yourself, honey.